locked out of your Gemini account. Don't worry, recovering your AI assistant is simpler than you think. This video is your essential guide to troubleshooting and recovering your Gemini account, tackling common issues like forgotten passwords and lockouts to get you back to interacting with your AI assistant in no time. First, if you've forgotten your password, navigate to the Gemini login page. Look for the Forgot Password. Or need help logging in? Link, usually located beneath the password field. Click on this link to begin the recovery process. You'll likely be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Gemini account once you've submitted your email. Check your inbox for a password. Reset email from Google. This email will contain a secure link to create a new password. Follow the instructions in the email. You'll be directed to a secure page where you can set a strong, new password. Remember to choose a password that's unique and difficult to guess. And consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Upon successfully setting your new password, you should be able to log back into your Gemini account without any further issues. If the password reset wasn't the problem, and you're experiencing a different type of lockout, the next steps are crucial. Sometimes, account lockouts occur due to security measures. If you suspect your account has been temporarily locked for unusual activity, you might need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions you previously set up, or using a phone number linked to your account for verification. Should these initial steps not resolve your access issues, it's time to consult the official Gemini or Google Help Center. Use their search functionality to find specific articles related to account recovery or locked accounts. The Help Center offers detailed guidance tailored to various scenarios. By carefully following these troubleshooting and recovery procedures, you'll be able to regain access to your Gemini account and continue enjoying its powerful AI capabilities. So take a deep breath, follow the steps, and get your Gemini back online.